Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Enfamil Poly-Vi-Sol with iron vitamin supplement. So if you guys would like some more information on Enfamil multivitamin and iron infant and toddler dietary supplement with iron, please be sure to check my video description for that. So recently, I don't know if you've seen some of my other videos, I did have a baby a couple weeks ago and he was born early. He's actually still not supposed to be here. He was premature and he was in the NICU for over 3 weeks. So the doctors, what they do for preemie babies is they do recommend they take this multivitamin with iron. I think it's no matter what. My baby was mostly breast milk and the IV the first couple days, but I think that no matter what, even if they're on formula, they're supposed to be getting this because I recently brought him, so he's 6.5 weeks. I recently brought him to the pediatrician and she told me, please continue to give him this. So the iron is really good for them, and this actually will go a long way. It has 1 2/3 ounce or 50 milliliters per container. Definitely will last you a while. So like I have to say, like the one downside is it doesn't taste good for them. So when my son started getting this, especially even in the NICU, he started to spit it up a lot because they don't like the taste. I don't know if it's that it's heavy on their stomach, but it doesn't taste good. And they don't like it because it's icky. So it comes with like a syringe. So you would just push this in and then I'll open it up for you guys so you can see. It does have that child safety lock. So it's hard to do it with one hand. Just open it real quick for you guys. There we go. So you would just push down with one hand, lift up with the other, squeeze, and it tells you the milliliter level on here. So it's either 1.0 milliliter or half that. You squeeze it to make it come out, or 0.5 milliliters. And then you would close it up afterwards. So I've been giving this to him. The way I give it to my son, by the way, I give it to him with about half an ounce of his formula. This way he is, he'll get it down because he'll be so hungry rather than give it to him in the whole bottle. Because then if he doesn't finish the whole bottle, you don't know if he's getting all the vitamins. So we have all the ingredients listed here: vitamin A, 250 mcg, vitamin C, 50 milligrams, vitamin D, 100%, vitamin E, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, and then the iron, all 100%. So the supplement facts: serving size 1 milliliter daily, servings per container 50. And definitely make sure that you ask your doctor before your son or daughter's doctor before giving this to them, because you want to make sure that it's okay for them. Because my older son he was only in the NICU for a day. This son is like very preemie, so they want to make sure he's getting the vitamins. So if your baby's full term, I'm not sure that they even need this. So I would just make sure you ask the pediatrician first. So then the directions here: dispense gently into the mouth towards inner cheek or mix with formula, that like I've been doing, cereal or other foods, because I did try squeezing it into his cheek and he hates the taste of it. So he would just like spit it out right away. So it's like a dark color. So it's kind of like easy to see if it's mixed in with the milk or whatever. There's all the other ingredients listed here. And then useful dosage, or as the doctor recommends. So the full dosage would be the 1 milliliter. So that's a lot for like a little baby, So they're really tasting it. It's not like I give my baby like vitamin D drops. It's just 2 little drops, so they don't really notice it's there. This they could taste. So definitely, if you could, if the syringe doesn't work putting directly in their mouth, just make sure you mix it when they're really hungry and crying for their food with a little bit of their milk, and then once they're finished with it, you can give them the rest of the milk. Just keep it. I just wouldn't mix it with an entire bottle of milk, because I just don't think they'll finish it because they don't like the way it tastes. And Enfamil is a really great brand, by the way. They have great formulas and stuff like that. And obviously it's great if the NICU is recommending it, it's pediatrician recommended and all that. So guys, this was my video for Enfamil multivitamin and iron infant and toddler dietary supplement, Poly-Vi-Sol with iron. Hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks you guys and have a great day.